Hi everybody, I wanted to show you how the new word finder works. First, know that you can find word finder in one of three places. If you're I'm in Unity 60 sequenced. 60 and 84, you're going to find it in the device key and then word finder here, the purple button. The other place to find it is off of the keyboard right here. And then if you are in maybe 28 or 36 or 45, you will find it in Pages. You'll head to Pages and it will be there. So how it works, I'm going to go to the keyboard, select Word Finder. I'm going to type the word eat and then say OK. From there, it will show you the path. And then you can also hit Guide Me, and this will allow you to practice the word. So I will start at the apple and go to the green verb location for eat.
Eat.
And that's how we practice. And there is our word in the message window. That is Word Finder. Thanks, everybody.